Here I go with my little plumbing experiment. Okay, here's the culprit. That guy back there. Ooh, really hope I have the right size. Tight little space back here. Well, anyway, we had to cut it all off. We had to put a new fitting on it, and we, as in me and my son. Good thing I came back for some help. It's good to go. Trailer's getting done. We're getting there. We're getting there. RV life, baby. Refilled my propane tanks today, and my water heater is not broke. And I have heat and everything's good. Water's back on. We're good to go.